everyone, my name is Jhilim Sikder. I am a MSc Bioinformatics student of third semester from the Department of Bioinformatics of Bangkok. So today I'll be discussing about Cobra Toolbox. First of all, the introduction. Cobra Toolbox is a software tool used for constraint-based modeling and analysis of biological systems, particularly focused on metabolic networks. It is an essential tool in the field of systems biology, providing researchers and scientists with powerful algorithms and methodologies to study and understand cellular metabolism. Now there are several features that I'll be discussing next. First one is data import and visualization. The Cobra Toolbox provides function to import and visualize radar data. Users can easily load data from various file formats and quickly visualize the radar signals in both time and frequency domain. Second one is signal pre-processing. The toolbox offers a collection of pre-processing functions to clean and enhance radar signals. It includes functions of noise removal, cluster suspension, and interference mitigation and signal filtering. Now, third one is range Doppler processing. The Cobra Toolbox supports range Doppler processing, which allows users to extract range and velocity information from the radar data. Fourth one is adaptive beamforming. The toolbox implements adaptive beamforming techniques to enhance the radar ability to detect and track targets in the presence of interference or noise. Now the fifth one is target detection and tracking. The Cobra Toolbox incorporates algorithms for target detection and tracking. It provides function for users to the threshold-based detection. Now the sixth one is imaging and reconstruction. The Cobra Toolbox offers imaging and reconstruction capabilities for radar data. It includes functions for range, angle imaging, systematic apertures, and many more. Now, the overview of Cobra Toolbox. As we know, this is a tool. So first we need to use several files for the input. Now this image actually provides three types. First one is the input files. Second one is what we want from Cobra Toolbox, and third one is the output. Middle one is how it functions actually. So first of all, to use Cobra Toolbox, we need is a SBML, Excel, or M file. M file is actually MATLAB file or MATLAB code file. Excel file we know as and SBML file is a special type of file which we use in Cobra Toolbox. After uploading these files, we can do flux optimization, robustness analysis, phenotype phase plane analysis, flux variability analysis, gene additions and knockouts, and production envelopes, and many more tools. After uploading the file and analyzing it with these tools, we can get several types of outputs. We can get numerical outputs, we can get output maps, graphical outputs, and save models. Now the installation part of the Cobra Toolbox. In Cobra Toolbox, there is the name of the site is the Open Cobra project. Here, we first of all we need to know the configuration of the user's laptop or desktop. It is Windows, Linux, or Mac. So we need to know the configuration. After knowing that, we can download the file from here. Now, after downloading the file, this window will pop up. That is a zip file. We need to extract the files to run Cobra Toolbox. After extracting this, we can just run it down. Now initializing Cobra Toolbox. After downloading it, we need to the window will pop up. By this, we need to start the MATLAB. I want to say that I want to let you know that before using Cobra Toolbox, we need to know about MATLAB, as we know that it uses numerical things to in numerical things. So in Cobra Toolbox, we need MATLAB to run it. So Cobra Toolbox, we need to start MATLAB. After doing that, we can run Cobra Toolbox. In the second picture, we can see we can run it by the commands. Here is a model spreadsheet that we can upload in Cobra Toolbox to analyze it. And next one is loading a Cobra based module. How we can load a Cobra based module? Here we can see that it's in MATLAB you need to use the comments, and here is the whole diagram of it on the screenshot. Here is the Cobra model structure fully described. In the first line, we can see that it is a comment. In the second line, it is reactions, and third line, it is the metabolites. Fourth line, it is S matrix. In fifth line, it's lower bound. In sixth line, it's upper bounds, and in seventh line, it's objective function. By this work space, we can load the model is loaded. That is in the file. We can see a output map, which is of a E. coli core model, which I have shown before. This is the spreadsheet of the model. Now there are several advantages and disadvantages. First one is comprehensive and efficient. The Cobra Toolbox offers a collection of tools and functions specifically designed for continuous web radar data processing and analysis. Now, second one is it's a user-friendly interface. The user-friendly interface makes the both beginner and accessible and experienced radar researchers. The intuitive design and clear documentation allows users to quickly understand and effectively utilize the tools. Third one is accelerates development. Cobra Toolbox actually the pre-built algorithms and functions actually provides the developers and researchers significant time consumption, and the development of radar data of the algorithm. Um, this accelerates an overall development process and allows the quicker implementation of innovation ideas. Flexibility and customization. The Cobra Toolbox is highly customizable, enabling users to adapt it to suit their specific research or application that is needed. The effective visualization. As we could see, the toolbox offers powerful visualization features such as range Doppler plots, range time intensity, which is known as RTI plots, which enhance the understanding of radar data. The visualization enables users to easily interpret and analyze target behavior, track movement pattern, and identify anomalies. Now, the disadvantages of the Cobra toolbox. First is steep learning curve. The Cobra toolbox might have a steep learning curve for users who are new to radar signal processing or having limited experience working with radar data. Understanding the toolbox's functionalities, the algorithms may require time and effort. Limited scope. The toolbox is specifically designed for continuous wave radar data processing and analysis. It may not be suitable for other types of radar system or data formats. Dependency on MATLAB. As I told you before, that we cannot run Cobra Toolbox without the help of MATLAB. So the Cobra Toolbox was actually developed as an extension of MATLAB. Here we can see in this picture that here is noted that the Cobra Toolbox, the constraint-based reconstruction and analysis of Cobra Toolbox written in MATLAB. That means it is an extension of MATLAB. In this picture also we can see that there is a logo of MATLAB. So this dependency of MATLAB may limit the accessibility of users who don't have the access to MATLAB. Lack of real-time processing. The Cobra toolbox primarily focused on offline radar data processing and analysis. Real-time data processing capabilities are limited, which can be a disadvantage for applications that require immediate and real-time feedback or decision making. Thank you.